You gonna show us your tap dancing? Take a bow. What do you say?
Thank you for coming to the show. Today, I'm going to do a recital. Today, we're going to do a recital. And look at this room. It's so beautiful to meet all of you. And you have to listen because I'm the coach today. Because I'm the only man who was listening. But you're not listening today. You're not listening, I'm listening to you. You are you listening? You have to get lots of got your glasses that can see you when I'm in the dark.
Are you gonna do your tap dance again?
Not right now. We have to tell you about the new man who stuff. But
Okay, so is the show over now?
yeah.
Say bye. See ya.